Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dish Network easy access step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. Type in the Dish Network website URL in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login option. Click on the login button usually found at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your username. Type your username in the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. Double-check for any typing errors in both fields. After ensuring the details are correct, locate the login button on the page. Click on the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Dish Network account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your access. Now, you're ready to enjoy your Dish Network services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.